Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert. This is removing phone ringtone noise from dialogue using VoiceGate 2 from Accentize. Let's have a listen. This is dialogue with ringtone 1. This is dialogue with ringtone 1. This is dialogue with ringtone 2. This is dialogue with ringtone 2. This is dialogue with ringtone 3. This is dialogue with ringtone 3. This is dialogue with ringtone 4. This is dialogue with ringtone 4. This is dialogue with ringtone 5. This is dialogue with ringtone 5. This is dialogue with ringtone 6. This is dialogue with ringtone 6. This is dialogue with ringtone 7. This is dialogue with ringtone 7. This is dialogue with ringtone 8. This is dialogue with ringtone 8. This is dialogue with ringtone 9. This is dialogue with ringtone 9. This is dialogue with ringtone 10. This is dialogue with ringtone 10. So some very usable results there using VoiceGate 2 to remove ringtone noise. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.